Electric vehicles are the future of urban transportation. However, driving an EV remains a challenge as charging points are scarce. When leaving home in the morning, you wonder if today's charge will bring you back home. Meanwhile, fast and cheap EV charging at the office building, shopping mall, or sports center is at your fingertips. With the driv2e service, we can control energy consumption in modern buildings to transfer available energy for fast EV charging in real time. Would you like to know how driv2e works? The system is managed by artificial intelligence algorithms. They predict the power demand of buildings and cars, set work schedules, and even control AC intensity and charger performance in real time. We optimize ventilation schedules without endangering the tenant's comfort to save the energy needed to charge your car. You won't need to worry about your way back home. Try driv2e. Charge your electric car quickly and inexpensively in the city. driv2e. The e-future has arrived.